After years of hoping for freedom, Erik Menendez has been denied parole following a really lengthy hearing. We're talking about 10 hours yesterday. Today, his older brother Lyle has his turn before the California Parole Board. They've spent 35 years behind bars for killing their parents. NewsNation's Nancy Liu joins us live outside their prison. Nancy, a disappointing end for Erik Menendez. What do we know about what happened and why that decision was made?
Well, Markie, as you mentioned, an extremely long parole hearing for Erik Menendez, stretching nearly 10 hours, ending in that disappointment for the 54-year-old. This morning, Lyle is up. He is now 57, and many suspect the denial for Erik is a major sign of the outcome for today. Just like yesterday for Erik, this morning a similar photo will be captured of Lyle Menendez at the start of his parole hearing, which he'll also attend through a video link from here at the Donovan prison. Again, the process will be virtual, with Lyle meeting with 2 to 3 parole officers, his parole attorney, and a rep from the LA County DA's office. And again, the panel will hear statements from relatives and supporters. With Erik Menendez, the hearing included some intense exchanges, frank discussion of his multiple violations of prison rules, not only the possession and use of contraband cell phones, but past violations for drug use, prison gang involvement, tax fraud schemes, and inappropriate sexual conduct with his wife on prison grounds in the presence of their 9-year-old child. Parole Commissioner Robert Barton told Erik Menendez he could have fled whatever situation he had at home back in 1989, while the DA's office acknowledged that while Erik Menendez has been on a road to rehabilitation, he is not there yet. The Menendez parole attorney stressed Erik's personal growth, and 18 relatives and supporters spoke on his behalf. Governor Gavin Newsom will now have 120 days to review Erik's parole denial. DA Nathan Hochman tells NewsNation's Elizabeth Vargas the governor should be well aware of a clear threshold for releasing convicted killers.
Governor Newsom himself has said that the most critical factor that can outweigh all other factors is whether or not the Menendezes have shown full insight, complete acceptance of responsibility for the murders they did and all the lies they told about it. They have not done that yet.
My determination based on the facts, well established. And as you know well, we don't accept every recommendation of the parole board. We look at each case, we'll send it back en banc, which means we'll send it back to a larger cohort of the parole board to take a second look if we have questions, or we'll simply reject on the basis of the facts.
Now, in conclusion with Erik, the parole board stressed his recent behavior, noting the hypocrisy of him leading rehabilitation groups while violating prison rules. And Markie, for today, it's of note that Lyle has even more prison violations than Erik.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.